Hi, this is Bruce Strong, account manager of Metroid's FreeScanners. Here is a plastic injection path, black surface, reflective, complicated structure, have slots and pillars. Let us see how FreeScan combo handle it. FreeScan combo have two light sources, blue laser and infrared VC SEL. Blue laser has 3 light source mode, 13 cross lines, 7 parallel lines, and single laser line. 13 cross lines to scan objects quickly. FreeScan combo's 2 cameras angle is relatively small. This design makes its cross line easy and faster to scan objects with slots and pillars. Seven parallel lines capture high details. FreeScan combo parallel lines frame rate reached 140, making the fine and rich detail scanning also faster. Partial HD function. All FreeScan series support partial HD function. It allows us to choose one area and change to higher resolution to scan in one project. Single line for deep holes and pocket area scanning.